All right, finishing question number 2. I stopped the video a little bit prematurely, but the second part wants us to choose the correct graph. So knowing what the square root of x looks like, we're going to apply these transformations and see which graph best fits. So we said that this graph will be stretched vertically. Now first let me go back to I guess the blackboard where we had the parent functions. Let me see. I got it on the other screen, so I'm going to put it over here. Okay, so the parent function of the square root of x just starts at the origin, and then it curves outward to the right. Okay, it looks like a half a parabola on its side. All right, so from that image, we want to stretch it vertically, so it's going to get stretched going upward. So this one matches the vertical stretch by multiplying each y coordinate by 6. And then we're going to reflect it across the x-axis. Okay, so here is the x-axis, so this graph is going to be rotating downward and stretched out. So C is the image that would match that. Okay. Number 3, again 2 parts, so it looks like we're going to describe it and maybe graph it. Describe it and then graph the function, yes. So we want to do the transformation of negative parentheses x plus 10 to the third. All right, so notice that the plus 10 is in the grouping symbol with x, so that's going to shift it left or right. It's going to shift left because of the plus 10. And then the negative out here is going to flip it across the x-axis or reflect it across the x-axis. So we're going to start with the x cubed because we see the third power. Shift left 10, reflect across the x. So it looks like A is the one that we want. Start with x cubed, shift left, and then reflect across x. Okay. And then we're going to graph it by doing just that. So x cubed, you need to know what that looks like. So again, I'm going to go back to the parent functions and show you x cubed. So once you have knowledge of what the graph looks like, that's the one that you will select when you're trying to graph. So that would be this image here. So once you graph it, click it, and then you can tell what to do. So we're going to shift horizontally left 10. So negative 10. Get it to, I keep skipping the 10. There we go. Horizontal shift left 10, reflect across the x-axis.